Hello, beautiful peoples. I am back again with another video. In today's video, we are going to rob military aircraft carrier. It will not be easy nor too hard. Let's get started. Let's take the weapons. Deagle and M for the best combo. Let's take our heist. Let's head to the carrier. Just follow the red blip to reach there. Let's skip the ride. We have reached our destination. Guns are ready. Action begins. Let's clear those army brats. Let's rob those supplies. There are a total of 3 supplies. Let's rob these all. More army personnels. Now only 1 supply left. Let's rob it too. All clear, let's get out of here. So we done a successful robbery. You can try it yourself with your homies. Don't forget to play on Europa, RP. That's it for the video. Peace out, beautiful peoples, and wait for the upcoming video.